Hi everyone, I just wanted to tell you about the backup camera that I received for my birthday. It is a Pemacom backup camera, got off Amazon. This is actually the transmitter that mounts to the tailgate. It is actually a magnet. It's a very strong magnet, so you have to be careful when you're putting it on. It will pinch your finger. When you take it off, definitely go straight off. You don't want to end up scratching your paint or anything like that. And when you apply it, just be real careful and be real slow. And it does make quite a thunk. The camera itself rotates manually. So when I'm hooking up, I just rotate it down towards my receiver. Right there ought to be good. And I'll show you what's inside the truck. Okay, so inside the truck I've got the receiver. I just push this on. That'll hook up with the camera. And there we go. So there's my ball right there, and I'll go ahead and back it up. I'm not sure if my trailer hitch is tall enough, but we'll find out. That's the nice thing about it. And I'll back that up and you can see that in real time. Looks like we're going to bump it. Let me go ahead and jack that up. Bada boom, bada bing, right there it is. Okay. I didn't need any help, and I just backed straight up to the trailer, and first shot hit the ball, and it's on. Now, another nice thing about this is the rotating camera. When I had the boat trailer hooked up to it, I rotated it up so I could see everything that was going on, and actually I was able to wash the tires as well, so that's a big plus. So I'll show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so there you go. It's all hooked up and you can watch what is going on behind you while you're traveling down the road. We really love this camera. If you're looking for a great backup camera, I would suggest the Pemacom, and I hope this helps you on your purchase of your backup camera.